Hi, this is Lino here from the Federal John Wayne building, and we're at David Carter's hearing today. We're out here with Tony. Hey, Tony, how's it going there?
Going all right.
Okay, you were here earlier.
Yes,
I just got here. So what's the deal, Captain?
I think Judge Carter right now is talking to some of the police chiefs to talk about the impact that other cities have dumped at their doorstep, would be Anaheim and Santa Ana. When you go to the Armory, for example, at 5:30 in the morning, they're all dumped over at the Civic Center. So wherever all the homeless come over to Armory, they're put into neighborhoods at 5:30 in the morning and just left at their own to their own demise. You know what I mean? As far as how it would impact local businesses and anything like that, I'm sure it's an impact. But what a lot of local businesses have said is they don't mind the homelessness there if they program right and they follow basic rules. You know, and they're not. Most of them, hey, they're conscious of the homeless effect, but they've got to follow the rules, have manners, and just live like everyone else. And what the judge also said is, if these guys don't get together and try to come up with a comprehensive, equitable plan, then he's going to take the decision out of their hands, and he'll be decisive. Now, all they've done, the Board of Supervisors, since the last meeting, is they passed the buck where they've not tried to be decisive. And one comment they made is the hotel owners, according to Kim, they don't want any of us in his back. And that is because of what's...
Sorry, we got cut off there, but you were continuing on saying?
Yeah. When Spitzer tells the hotels or the motels off the bat, you can take away the curtains, you can take away the phones and the TVs. Right away, he's trying to make the homeless a lower class when they are a paid customer. And for the hotels to deny them just basic necessities, how are you supposed to make a phone call when someone's having a seizure? And then you get thrown out of the program because you help someone, and then they delayed 911 call telling them this person was not allowed. So I think when you put a precondition on some of these motel owners, and then Kim from the Board of Supervisors says motel owners don't want us because we trash the rooms, they're already trashed, they're ridden with disease. Baymont is a perfect example. There's so many people with toothaches, MRSA, scabies. I've won it, but I've never caught anything in my life. And I caught it on the 9th of this month, and they still don't log it. And they're still trying to house me with someone else when that person will probably have difficulty. So when the student providers come out and just knock you down right at the beginning, making homelessness criminalization or making it a lower class than it really is, that's they're dehumanizing and it's criminal. And it goes straight to moral turpitude and straight to criminal intent. And it's not right. And hopefully the judge, they need someone they can trust and know someone who would champion them and be decisive. And hopefully that's what he's starting to do today, because he was coming back in June, but he's now here. They need to rock.
Yeah, and even though the riverbed wasn't structured, it seemed to be better, and there was less death than there has been now.
Well, yeah, they have less deaths than they have now. What they haven't done, and I don't know why, the advocates or lawyers need a list of everyone that took intake for the voucher. Where are they at now? There's the whole history of what was assessed, approved, and not approved, because we don't know where anyone's at. And if we can't measure the voucher system and the assessment system, we don't know where our people are. We hear this guy died, but how? How were they thrown out when that person's 5150 for 20 years of his life, and all of a sudden you don't meet the criteria? It's almost like inconsistency and do what how we feel today. So it's not good. They need someone to put them in check.
Okay, well, we'll see what's going on in the courtroom. They had a break, so we're going to go back into Judge Carter. Thank you, Tony.
Thank you.
Good day.
I'm in the doorman right now. Come in.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joe Price. I'm a former Marine. This is one of my associates in my law firm, Ben Reynolds. He's a former Marine, as you may know. Judge Carter is a very distinguished Marine and is doing us a favor swearing Ben in. Ben served in Iraq, got blown up about 10 years ago, got out, went to college and went to law school, and just passed the hardest bar our state has ever had.
As you step forward, what an honor. Would you raise your right hand and would you repeat after me? I state your name.
Benjamin Reynolds.
Do solemnly swear
Do solemnly swear
that I will support
that I will support
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of California,
and the Constitution of the State of California,
and that I will faithfully discharge the duties
discharge the duties
of an attorney
of an attorney
and counselor
and counselor
at law
at law
to the best of my knowledge and ability.
to the best of my knowledge and ability.
As an officer of the court,
As an officer of the court,
I will strive
to
conduct myself
conduct
at
myself
all times
at all times
with dignity,
with dignity,
courtesy,
courtesy,
and integrity.
and integrity.
Congratulations.
Jose Moreno and Denise Barnes, and I guess some of their assistants are here. Not sure what mayors are in there this time, but the judge has been talking to the mayors of Orange County.